Start. A petition under Section 166 of the Motor Vehicles Act 1988 for compensation of rupees 2 lakh on account of injuries sustained by the applicant in motor vehicle accident dated 15/4/2010 on Fultamba Fata to Vaizapur in the border of Kokamthan. Para. On 15/4/2010 at about 7:30 hours, claimant along with other passengers were traveling in the auto rickshaw number MH17AE104 from Shirdi to Vaizapur. When said rickshaw reached near the border of Kokamthan village, meet with an accident due to dash given by offending vehicle Tata Indica car number MP09CD8692 from the front side. According to claimant, accident caused due to rash and negligent driving of the rickshaw driver. In the said accident, one passenger was died on spot. Claimant sustained injury over her head and hand, an offence under Section 279337338 of the IPC is registered against the driver of said rickshaw driver by Police Station Kopargaon wide crime number 134/2010. Claimant was admitted for treatment at Sri Sai Baba Hospital Shirdi for about 15 days. She was operated and treated for multiple injuries. According to claimant, due to injury sustained by her in the accident, she has suffered permanent disablement as she is unable to perform her routine agricultural work. She has to engage labor for doing said work by paying monthly salary of rupees 4,000. She has to incur expenses of rupees 40,000 and also required further amount of rupees 40,000 for treatment. She is only earning member in the family. Due to accident, injuries, claimant and her family members suffered mental shock, agony and frustration. According to claimant, she is entitled to compensation of rupees 2 lakh. The respondents are jointly and severally liable to pay the compensation, hence this petition. Para. The respondent number 1 and 2 duly served and appeared. Respondent number 2 and 3 filed their written statement in bracket exhibit 17 and 16 respectively. Respondent number 1 by filing Pursis exhibit 19 adopted the written statement filed by the respondent number 2. It is contention of the respondent number 1 and 2 that there is no negligent conduct of the driver of rickshaw number MH17AE140. Claim filed by the claimant is based on false facts. Fact of the registration of crime by Kopargaon Police Station against the driver respondent number 1 is not in dispute, but it is contended that respondent number 1 is not responsible for occurrence of accident. They also disputed the quantum of income pleaded by the claimant. Lastly, respondent number 1 and 2 came with the defense that on the date of accident, rickshaw was insured with respondent number 3 insurance company. Therefore, insurance company is liable to pay amount of compensation which may be granted. Paragraph. Respondent number 3 by filing WS at Exhibit 16 also denied the claim preferred by claimant and contended that accident took place due to negligence driving of driver of Indica car number MP09CD8692. Driver and owner of said car is not made party at the time of accident. Driver of the auto rickshaw was not holding valid and effective driving license. In this case, driver and owner was using the driver for carrying passenger on hire and reward as per terms and conditions of the policy.